Large sum of money reportedly stolen from Shamara Todd after gun attack.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Police sources have confirmed that a large sum of money was reportedly stolen from businesswoman Shamara Todd in the aftermath of the brazen gun attack that left her seriously injured on Friday, August 3rd. A senior officer from the St. Andrew South Police Division said a large sum of cash was reportedly removed from the Taboo nightclub boss' car by persons not thought to be among the perpetrators of the gun attack after she was shot multiple times in the vicinity of Washington Boulevard and rushed to hospital. Shamara Todd is the wife of popular businessman and entertainment executive Corey Todd, who himself survived a gun attack several years ago. Reports are that around 6 p.m, Shamara Todd was driving a green Mercedes-Benz motor car along Washington Boulevard in the vicinity of Patrick Drive when she was ambushed by two men on motorcycles who were reportedly lying in wait along the roadway. The men opened fire at the woman, hitting her multiple times. As a result of the sudden attack on her, the vehicle which she was driving hit several other vehicles with significant impacts before ending up colliding in the wall of a home. The gunmen fled the scene after the shooting, and the woman was assisted to the hospital by a passing motorist. She remains in hospital. Her condition is not known at this time.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.